Howdy, I'm Colt Rush with Cool Roofs Austin. We just completed a roof project in Belton, Texas, featuring the CertainTeed Belmont IR. This is a premium designer shingle that captures the timeless look of natural slate. It's not your standard architectural or 3-tab roof. The Belmont IR system is built for both beauty and extreme performance. It's Class 4 impact rated, offering the highest level of protection against hail. It's engineered for winds up to 130 miles an hour, and it carries a Class A fire rating. It's one of the most durable and resilient roofing shingles on the market today. What really made this project stand out was the collaboration behind it. Before install began, CertainTeed's own technical team came out to our job site. They met with our installers and reviewed the project details. They walked our crew through the installation standards for the Integrity roof system that includes everything from the underlayment and ventilation to the final shingle application, all to make sure it met CertainTeed's highest standards. At Cool Roofs, we believe excellence starts with preparation and precision. We're proud to be a select ShingleMaster Contractor, and that means we're certified to install CertainTeed's complete system and offer their upgraded SureStart Plus 4-star warranty. That's up to 50 years of coverage, including materials, labor, tear-off, and disposal. It's real manufacturer-backed protection, and it brings peace of mind to our homeowners. At the end of the day, it's not just about replacing a roof. It's about craftsmanship, partnership, and it's about protecting what matters most. I'm Colt Rush with Cool Roofs Austin, and this is what it looks like when roofing is done with excellence.